How to enable picture-in-picture on Android. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To enable the picture-in-picture on Android, first and foremost, launch your settings in your device. So right over here, scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. From here, tap on the option of special app access. The wordings might be different depending upon your mobile version and the model. Just go ahead and search for special app or picture-in-picture in the search icon. From here at the bottom, you should see the option of picture-in-picture. Click on it. Then you will see list of application which can actually use the feature of picture-in-picture. Now to enable it, you can just tap on any of the application, then make sure that you have toggled on this button. If you don't want to go through this hassle, there is also a shortcut. In the settings, you can just tap on the search icon and search for picture. Here you'll find the first option, picture in picture. Then it will automatically redirect you to the option location. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon. So make sure to go ahead